Hello everyone, we are back with yet another video. Today, if you read the title, which I hope you did, you will see we are unboxing a beauty fridge. So, if you don't know what a beauty fridge is, that's not important. It's a fridge for your skincare. Okay, so background story on this. I've been wanting one of these for like a year, but I never bought one because I just didn't buy one. And then I saw this one. So I ordered this from Facetory.com. I originally saw it on Amazon. Saw it on Amazon, and the intro video or whatever, the description video thing was really cute. So I was just really curious to go to their website, and it's $99 on Amazon. So I didn't buy it right away because I was like, do I want to spend $100? Not really. But I got an email from them because I wanted, 10% off. And they had a special, you get the fridge, all of these masks, face masks, a bunny headband, snail eye patches, don't ask. What is this? Balancing light facial cream, and a toner for $124. So I was like, you know what? This is a sign from God. I have to order it. So I did. I haven't opened it yet. I've had it because I did want to open it on camera. It's been here for, I would say, like a week, which kind of speaks to the fact that I might not need it if it's been sitting here for 7 days and I haven't opened it. But I really wanted to open it on camera, so here we are. This is gonna be a struggle. Let me see. Put that over there. Okay, here it is. Super cute. I got the pink. There is a pink and a blue one. I'm not really into pink, but I think it was cheaper than the blue one, so whatever. But here it is. Let me put it up here. How do you even open it? I think it opens this way. No? Okay. Now you can't see me. So it opens like this. It has removable. Oh shit. Did I break it? No, I didn't. It has removable shelves. Okay, we're just gonna leave that. And what else? I think that's it. It just has 2 shelves. Oh, and this. This is for the door, so you can put your masks. And I clearly don't know what I'm doing. But this is her. So cute. And then on the back, there's like AC or heat. Obviously, we are going to use it on AC. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so it's on. Ow, my ankle. I'm gonna show you guys everything that it came with, as well as what I would put inside. Let me just fix these drawers real quick. I think maybe. Okay, so if you go to the site, it says that it's a $248 value, which is believable because when I was, oh, this strap. When I was originally looking at it, I did add a few face masks to my cart and it was like $140. And that was just not attractive to me, so I didn't order it. So this came with the fridge, a set of Facetory's Everyday Collection, 8 masks, a set of Facetory's OG Mask Collection, 11 masks, a set of I don't know how to say that, a set of toner mist and light cream, 1 perfectly used steaming hair mask, and 1 Facetory bunny headband. All of that for $124, and then I did add the eye patches in because they were like $4. So yeah, that is a lot of stuff for $124. So we have a total of what, 19 masks? 11, 8, 1. Yeah, so 18 face masks and 1 hair mask, which is crazy. Like, look at this. Oh. So it comes, let's see what. I've never tried anything from this brand, but from what I've read, I think they're like a subscription-based Korean skincare company that specializes in face masks. So you get a detoxifying mask, moisturizing mask, brightening mask, rejuvenating mask, skin strengthening, soothing, skin balancing, brightening, moisturizing cream, collagen, love, soothing mask, rejuvenating snail mask, purifying pore mask, firming mask, brightening with gold foil, restoring with royal jelly. Oh, this is cool. It's like a 2-piece. Brightening and soothing, hydrating, soothing, skin clearing, and this is the hair mask, which is really cool. So you get, it's 18 masks. That's a lot. Normally a set of masks comes in like 10 and they're like $24 for 10. So I think that's a great deal. This is the Balancing Light Facial Cream. It says suitable for all skin types, contains 50% Artemisia. Artemisia? I don't know. Formulated with natural ingredients, soothes and hydrates while keeping skin clear. Apply an appropriate amount evenly onto face as the last step of your skincare routine. Cool. So wait, what is this for? Soothes and hydrates. So I guess you can use this as a moisturizer. This is a toner. I love a good toner. Oh, it has a spray bottle. That's cool. Same thing, blemish control, pore minimizing, balancing, skin relief. 2-in-1 function. Turn this toner into a mist. Attach the included spray nozzle and mist away after cleansing or throughout the day as a light refresher. Cool. Okay. And then these I'm kind of excited to try. They're snail eye mask, so it uses the like the snail excretion. So that means this is not a vegan product, but I've heard really good things about snail products, so I'll try it. Okay, so you get 5 for like $4, which is really good. And the bunny head masks. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see if it's cold. Look at all these masks. Oh, it's actually cold inside. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I would put in there. I have my skincare bag here with me. What happened to my show? Whatever. So, I wouldn't put that. This is the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I like to use that whenever I run out of moisturizer. That works just as well. This I use every single night. It's the T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, also from Drunk Elephant. Another Drunk Elephant product, the Protini Polypeptide Cream. I feel like that's the best moisturizer. It does not clog your pores. It doesn't make you oily. It's just really good. C-Firma Day Serum, also Drunk Elephant. These are my favorite Drunk Elephant products. I have tested out more, but these are the ones that I feel work the best for my skin. This is one of my favorite face masks, the Avocado Nourishing face mask from Kiehl's. I love this oil, Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil, Drunk Elephant. Retinol cream, super important. If you guys are over the age of like 22, I highly recommend you start investing in a retinol cream. It just helps with any discoloration, texture issues. What else? Fighting acne, hyperpigmentation, and just like the overall look of your skin. And you really want to start working on that. This isn't everything. Let me go in the bathroom. I will be right back. Okay, so I am waiting on a few products to come in, but this is for the most part what I use every day. This is my toner. It's my absolute favorite toner ever. It's the AHA, BHA, PHA 30-Day Miracle Toner from Some by Me. It's a Korean brand. It's really good and pretty inexpensive, but it's just so good. Your skin will forever thank you. This I just started using. It's the Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream from Trader Joe's, and I actually love it. I've tried a number of eye creams and they're either too thick and they don't absorb well enough, but that one is really good. It is scented, but it smells really good. This is the essence that I use. It's the NeoGen Real Ferment Micro Essence. If you guys don't use essence or haven't heard of it, what it does is basically plump your skin and help the rest of your products absorb better, and it just gives you a really nice glow. Another Korean skincare product. For the most part, I prefer Korean skincare products because after I discovered them, I just couldn't go back. Like, I had the best skin of my life, and it is made for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend doing your research and looking into K-beauty brands. This is the Pure Vitality Skin Renewing Cream from Kiehl's. I have a love-hate relationship with this. When I first started using it, I noticed you can only wear it at night because your makeup or whatever you put on your face will pill, and that's super annoying, and it's like $65 or something. So for the price, I feel like that's pretty annoying, but it works really nice as a night cream. However, I did stop using it for about, I would say, a month, and when I revisited it, my skin broke out. So I haven't been using this much, but I do think this is something that you would want to keep cold. What else? Lactic acid, 5% from The Ordinary. Super good if you have hyperpigmentation. It just really helps after you've exfoliated. And alpha arbutin from The Ordinary, also really good for hyperpigmentation. There's one more. Oh, I picked these up the last time I went to Trader Joe's and I love them. They're the natural facial cleansing pads with tea tree oil. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted the face wash. I love their tea tree oil face wash. If you have acne prone skin, definitely try that out because I'm pretty sure it'll help. What is that noise? Is that the fridge? So it does make a humming sound, which I don't know if that bothers me yet. There's one more thing I want to grab. Just one more. Last but not least, my jade roller. So this is actually one of the reasons why I wanted to get this, because I keep this in the freezer. And it's just really annoying, like going back and forth every single day. I use this day and night. It helps with lymphatic drainage and just getting that puffiness out of your face in the morning, as well as any like under eye, what are they called? Bags. Any under eye bags or any dark circles. This really helps with that. So if you guys want a more in-depth skincare whatever video, I can definitely do that once all of the products get in, but for the most part this is what I use and it works well with my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this up and see what it fits. It looks like everything should fit, but this also is not a lot of products, so I'm gonna load it up and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and loaded it up with all my stuff. Are you ready to see? Yes? Nope? Yes. Ta-da! Ah! Shoot, where's the door? So for the most part, it actually... Oh, shit. My bad. For the most part, it actually fit all of the stuff, so that's good. I was worried maybe these items would be too tall, but it totally fit. Some things I couldn't fit, like these, but you do have to keep in mind I have so many sheet masks now and they do take up a lot of space. Like if these weren't here, then I could have that in there and this. Just want to show you. Then you can fit that, and like these can go in there too. This can fit. So let me make sure not to drop it. So I guess it just really depends on what products you have and what, my bad. It just, I'll move this. Just depends on what you want to keep in there. For me personally, my essence, my toner, my serums, moisturizers, oils, and eye cream is most important to keep chilled. And obviously the masks, because they just work a lot better when they are at colder temperatures. And where is it? There's so much stuff. And my eye roller, face roller, jade roller, but I don't know where I put it. Oh, and the jade roller, super important that this goes in there. So I would move these and put that. Perfect, 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 perfect. So yeah, for the most part, everything actually fit. Pleasantly surprised. Is this a necessity? I think it just depends on how into skincare you are. If you're a skincare junkie like I am, then yes, definitely. Because why? You know, you're investing all of this money into skincare products, and you know, you want to take care of them, keep them cold. So I think it's worth it. It's a $248 value for $124, and you get all of those masks. You get the fridge, you get the little bunny thing, all that stuff. So I completely think it's worth it. I will have a link below to, I lost my train of thought. I will have a link below so that you can purchase the exact set that I bought. But yeah, we'll see how this holds up. Like I said, I just opened it, so I don't know how well it works, but it's super cute. It holds majority of my stuff, which is why I bought it. So we will see. If you guys want more skincare videos with my detailed routine morning and night, definitely let me know. Also, please do not forget to subscribe. I've been forgetting to say that in my videos, and I have to get in the habit of it. So please subscribe, and that's it. I will be back with more videos. Yeah, that's it. Bye.